What's up, team? I'm Mr. Hayhurst.
And I'm Mr. Manikporia.
And in this Superdojo Online tutorial video, we're gonna teach you the 4 punches we're gonna do this week.
And the footwork you need to know.
Also, how to defend yourself if someone tried to punch you. The first punch is called the jab. With the jab, you fire it forward super quick. The cross punch is the one you throw with the hand that's closer to the back. A hook punch comes around the corner to hit the target on the side. The last punch is the uppercut.
Alright team, now it's time to work on our footwork. Remember, when you do the footwork, it's like you make a plus sign going forward, back, left, and right. When you move forward, your left foot moves first. When you move backwards, your right foot, or the one that's in the back, moves back first. When you move to the left, move your left one first. When you move back to the right, use your right foot first. Then you're back to where you started.
All right, team, now that you know how to do the punches, you know how to do the footwork, it's time to defend yourself against someone trying to punch straight towards you like this. This move that we're gonna learn is called the parry. All right, team, now to do the parry, you have to have an amazing arm base, just like I have my hands right here. Take this hand and pretend the punch is coming straight towards your nose. You're gonna take your hand and just whoop, like that, and knock the punch out of mid-air. Let's do it 3 times. 1, 2, return. 1, 2, return. 1, 2, return. Piece of cake. Let's try the other arm. 1, 2, return. 1, 2, return. 1, 2, return. Now, which hand are you supposed to use? If I punch you with this hand, you use that side of your body to parry. That means my right hand, you defend with your left hand. If I punch you with my left hand, you defend with your right hand. Now, let's imagine that flying punches are coming out at the camera so that I can show you how I would parry it. So here comes a punch. Here comes the other side. All right, team, in that video, we taught you some of the basic punches,
the basic footwork,
and also how to do the parry. Be sure to tune in to our Facebook Live classes almost every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and let's say you're super sleepy that day and you can't make it, we will always post it on YouTube the next day. And you know what they say? Better late than never. Participate in the class, try your best, and download the scavenger hunt to really take your techniques to the next level. Are you guys ready for Superdojo Online?
Yeah!